Do you want the family man or do you want the swinging man? You choose.
Family man.
You get the family man. Family man. Family man. Family man. With your glances my way, taking no chances on the new day. Family man. Family man with your life all planned, your little sandcastle built, smiling through your guilt. Family man. Here I come. Here I come, family man. I come to infect. I come to rape your woman. I come to take your children into the street. I come for you, family man. Family man, with your Christmas lights already up. You're such a man when you're putting up your Christmas lights. First on the block, family man. Family man, I want to crucify you on your front door with nails from your well-stocked garage. Family man, family man, family man, Saint Dad, Father on fire. I've come to incinerate you. I've come home.
Well, how are the remaining people at the fast lane? Fast lane! This is the moment after! Doctors throughout you like go wild! You feel so empty and the thing didn't come. Are you ready to go to the extremity? That seems to be your only remedy. You just think that there's no other way to the goodness start of the fight. I'll be ticking like a time bomb inside. You have a life to live, no end with suicide. You think it better, you'll be filled with letters too bad. You had second thoughts the moment after. University tonight. We had to play on borrowed equipment, and we got a crippled lead guitar player. Fast Lane has generously let us play one more song, and it's our hit single by request. It's Dog Shit. Walking on the boardwalk, lifting a pie. Dog shit, what do I do now? more time. No, the last part of the show. Fucking faces! One more fucking time! Lift it up high! Control! What do I do? Thank you, you fucking asshole! Thank you! Thank you, good night! Oh, shit! Say goodbye to Robbie Hubbard. It's his last show. Bye, Rob. Thank you and good night. Thank you.
All right, Storm Warning.
Thank you.